Hello everyone and welcome to English Frolics. I'm Liz. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for visiting my website or my channel in case you're watching this from YouTube. I'm an online English teacher from the Philippines and I just love helping students to improve and practice their English skills through online classes. Besides speaking classes, I also offer writing feedback or writing correction and editing services to students who need help with their writing skills. I have a bachelor's degree in English and I've been teaching online on and off since 2008. Back then, online learning has already been established, but through the years, I've seen online learning really take off and become popular in so many other fields besides language learning. So anyway, what I meant to say was my earliest experiences involved working for other companies teaching online, and then I decided to start out on my own and work freelance. I've had the pleasure of working with many different students from different countries such as South Korea, Japan, China, and Taiwan. Most of my earlier students were younger learners, like those in elementary school or junior high school, but recently I've been working with older students like adults and working professionals. In case you're wondering about how I do my lessons, I always make sure to use articles and relevant materials that encourage a structured discussion, but would encourage a student to speak as much as possible, as well as learn new vocabulary and relevant expressions, mostly about their areas of interest. So for example, for university students, I'd have articles about personal development and careers. And for business professionals, we talk about business articles or current events. Some would describe this method as the use of authentic materials. Now that sounds like a fancy term, but it's really not. Authentic materials simply refer to materials that were made for native speakers or for general readers, as compared to materials that were specifically tailored for English learners or for an ESL classroom. Now, don't get me wrong, I have nothing against ESL specific materials because I also use them from time to time, and I believe that ESL specific materials are also necessary for beginners while they're still absorbing the language. But I also tend to believe that authentic materials are also important for students who have already established or who have already built up their language skills and can therefore be exposed to how English is used in the real world. If you're interested to have online lessons, or if you're looking for somebody to give you writing feedback for any of your documents, whether it's for work or for your studies, I'll leave my email in the video description, but you could also use the contact form in this website. Before I go, I would also like to say that my project for this year, 2020, is to start uploading videos on YouTube about practical English tips, as well as common errors in English and how to correct them. I'll be basing these videos on a lot of the things that I've observed from all the years that I've been teaching English. So if you think this is useful for you, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I hope to see you engage with my website or my channel in the near future. Have fun in your journey with the English language, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.